So let's start creating a new file. Let's call this file basic coding tools.py. Okay. Don't use space when you are giving a name to a file. Remember that. And let's start with some basic tools that every programmer must know. Okay. The first one is a comment. Not everything that you write inside of your text file must be executable, must be code, right? Sometimes you need to comment your code. Sometimes you need to add some notes to the code, both to explain what the code does, but also to remember what you must implement later, So this is pretty common when you're programming. And to write something that is a comment inside of your file, you use hash, alright? So when you put hash, you can write, let's put this here, you can write anything here, okay? We have autocomplete function here, so sometimes it's going to appear some random code. But anyway, if you put some hash and write anything, this code is not gonna run. So you can explain things. So below I'm going to ask to tell your age. So print autocomplete age receives 30, print age. Alright, so if I run this code, Python basic coding tools.py, you can see that the only code that runs is the line 2, the line 3, and the line 1 is skipped. Alright, so you can also use comments when you don't want a piece of code anymore, but you want to still have the code in your code base. So for example, age next year age receives age plus 1. So let's suppose that I don't want to run this next year age right here. I can comment, the code is still here, but it's not going to run. It's not going to run. Okay, so if I run a file, I can see that the same thing happens. Even if I put like print next year age, here we're going to see the two ages because I'm assigning the value to the variable and printing. If I comment the print and save it, even if I don't comment the attribution of the variable, it doesn't appear because I've commented the print. Okay, but as long as I'm not printing, I'm going to comment also the next. Okay, so this code is still here. I don't miss the code, but it's commented and it's not gonna run. Let me run again to show you, and you're gonna see only 30. Okay, that's how comments work in Python. These are some of the real interviews that I recorded to show you how real companies interview developers from inside. Use them to prepare for real interviews and get the job of your dreams. Go to matosacademy.com or click the link below.